Clouds have hung in as we've gone through the morning hours. That was surprised, or was expected, I should say. We are expecting to see cloudy conditions most of the day. We are hopeful, though, maybe a break here or there in the afternoon hours. Just haven't seen any evidence of that just yet. It's 37 out there now. Still cloudy. Winds are now showing out of the east at 3 miles an hour, but soon they'll be out of the south. But still fairly light, 2 to 5, so it's not going to make a big difference on if they're out of the east or the south. The barometer coming in at 30 and 24/100ths of an inch. The dew point is at 35, so still fairly close to the temperature that we have of 37 degrees. You can see the cloud deck that is now in place. We also have a boundary. You can barely see it, but you can see a little bit of the precipitation that's coming in off of it, and that's giving us just a little bit of drizzle in places like Butler and also over into Armstrong around the Katanning area in Armstrong County. What about current temperatures? It's 37 in Pittsburgh, Butler at 35 degrees. We have Beaver Falls at 36, 39 in Washington, 41 in Denora and Waynesburg at 41. So we have some 40s out there right now, and those 40s will continue to lift to the north. I still think the Pittsburgh area will likely hit about 42 for a high. We have the Pittsburgh area coming in between 1 and 2, hitting that 40-degree mark. So today, here's your forecast. 42. There is going to be a late night evening rain chance. The boundary that we just showed you that had that little bit of rain in Butler County, that's going to lift for the rest of the daytime today. But as the sun goes down, it'll once again start to slide down to the south. This time it'll spend all of Thursday south of the area, and that'll bring temperatures down. We're going to go 42 for your expected high. Winds out of the south, and they'll switch over the next hour to 2 hours. We'll see them more out of the south than out of the east, like what we're seeing right now. So because of that, we'll bring our temperature by 2 to about 41, 42 at 4 o'clock and 40 degrees at 6 o'clock. Temperature should hold steady into the 30s, similar to what we saw this morning, and then should drop right down to about 30 degrees in the overnight hours. Now, we haven't seen much snow, and I know a lot of folks are asking, when are we finally going to see some snow? Is that you? Here's what's going on. The average this time of the year is 11 inches of snow, so we're not too far back from that. And hey, here in Pittsburgh, Western Pennsylvania, you can just snap your fingers and you basically can get 5.5 inches of snow. That's where we're behind right now. So here's a look at current temperatures and the reason why we're seeing this warm pattern. The jet stream jets all the way down into parts of southern Mexico into, I should say, southern Texas, sweeping through Arkansas, Indiana, and right on top of us. So it continues to move back and forth. Once it's to the north, we get the warm weather like what we're expecting today. When it's to the south, it'll be more seasonal, is what it looks like at this point. So over the next couple of days, our temperatures still remaining relatively warm. Friday, high temperatures close to the 50-degree mark, and I think that we'll be in the 50s likely Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday. So there's your forecast. 42, your expected high temperature today, 37 on Thursday, and a Friday high coming in at 54 degrees. We do have another chance for some rain very late on Friday into Saturday morning, and then we'll keep it dry on Sunday with another round of rain Monday night into Tuesday. So still kind of that soggy pattern. Yeah. It's 2019. I know a lot of folks said, okay, it's over with 2018.
I know, let's move on.
You're right, it hasn't stopped just yet. We still have the jet stream around, and that means likely to see a lot of rain off and on, and maybe even a little snow at times over the next 2 weeks.
At this point, I'd be happy to see snow.
I think a lot of folks will take that too.
Thanks, Ron.
Yeah.